Hi, everyone, and thank you for joining me. My name is Robert Jokes, and I'm a product manager for content and workflow solutions here at Sony. And today I'm going to be talking to you about redefining asset management with Sony's intelligent media services. Asset management is a critical component of any production, but often it's one of the most overlooked areas of our workflows because traditionally it's been a very tedious and manual process. Well, with Sony's intelligent media services, you can streamline and automate your production workflows so that you can spend more time creating and monetizing your content and spend less time actually managing it. Today I'm going to be talking to you about 4 of our solutions: C Media Cloud, Media Backbone Navigator X, Optical Disk Archive, and our Memnon digitization services. With all of our intelligent media services, we're allowing you to simplify your digital supply chain. And with the 4 solutions that I'll be speaking to you about today, you'll see how you can manage your content across all of your various storage pools, even in the cloud or in archive. You'll see how you can streamline the acquisition and delivery of your content. You'll see how you can leverage the cloud for ingest, for scalable media processing, for archive, and even for artificial intelligence. You'll also see how you can automate your workflows for increased efficiency. So without further ado, let's jump into some of these solutions. The first one I'm going to be speaking about is C Media Cloud. C Media Cloud is a completely cloud-based production collaboration and media processing platform that supports the full life cycle of your media, from acquisition to delivery all the way through to archive. C has a full suite of features and tools allowing you to get content from anyone and anywhere, even directly from your cameras. You can review, approve, share, and collaborate with your content. You can store and archive your content in the cloud for immediate access from anywhere. And most importantly, because C is cloud-based, it'll scale to meet your needs, no matter how large or how small. C Media Log, brand new this year at NAB, is a tool allowing for capturing custom time-based metadata. Metadata is obviously one of the keys to asset management. It's what allows for the searchability and accessibility of your content. And now, no longer are you tied to a production truck or to a production facility in order to log metadata. Now you can do all of your logging directly in the cloud from anywhere in the world. And once you've done that logging, you can leverage that metadata for catalog enrichment and improve searchability. Moving past human input metadata, you also have the power to leverage artificial intelligence to enrich your metadata automatically with C. C is leveraging AI today for image recognition, speech-to-text transcription, and also facial detection. And now, not only can you use all of C's great features and tools with file-based media, but C is also now supporting live streaming. You can capture your live streams directly into the cloud. You can live log those live streams with C Media Log that you just saw a moment ago. You can even live clip those live streams for faster publishing for social distribution. Next up, we have Media Backbone Navigator X. Navigator X is our content management and workflow orchestration solution, allowing you to not only manage your content, but to automate your workflows. Navigator X has the ability to manage your content across all your disparate storage pools, whether it's on-prem storage such as NAS storage, maybe cloud storage such as an S3 bucket, or maybe our own C Media Cloud, or maybe even archive on optical disk, or maybe LTO. Navigator X will serve as the bridge across all of your content. That way you can worry about just working with your content and delivering your content, and less about where it's stored and how you're going to get it back into your edit suites. Navigator X is a flexible system, so we have the ability to deploy it in on-prem or cloud hybrid configurations. And brand new this year, we're showing in the booth the ability to leverage artificial intelligence for automatic metadata enrichment. We're showing using AI for object detection, for identifying objects like people or cars in your scenes. Speech-to-text transcription for transcribing any audio or dialogue and allowing you to search down to the exact time code that audio or dialogue may be taking place. and also optical character recognition for identifying any text that may be inside of your media. One of the great benefits of solid asset management is being able to access your content faster so that ultimately you can deliver faster to your audiences. Well, with Navigator X and C Media Cloud, that process is now faster and easier than ever. Now you can leverage the cloud as a means to get content from anywhere in the world back to your on-premise storage or editors so that you can start the creative process faster. You can even push content directly from our Sony cameras out in the field using an LTE or Wi-Fi dongle directly attached to the camera. You can have that camera's content pushed directly up to the cloud and back to your on-premise storage or edit suites so that your editors can begin actually working with that camera's content before that camera even makes it back to your facility. No more waiting for card runners to offload footage or waiting for hard drives to come via courier or in the mail. With Sony's Intelligent Media Services, that process is completely streamlined and automated for you without any human interaction. Navigator X also has an entire workflow orchestration engine built directly into its core so that you can automate and schedule your workflows so that you can take those resources that today you have allocated to maybe repetitive or mundane tasks within your workflows. You can reallocate those resources back to the things that matter, like making great content. While C and Navigator X will allow you to access your content from anywhere in the world and really power your production workflows, Optical Disk Archive is our solution for long-term preservation of your content. Optical Disk Archive, or as we call it ODA, is Sony's high-capacity, future-proofed media storage solution for on-site backup. And unlike other solutions on the market, ODA will allow you to preserve your content without sacrificing the speed and efficiency of your day-to-day workflows. Optical Disk Archive will keep your content secure and, most importantly, safe, with Optical Disk offering up to a 100-year archival life. And also, because it's a migration-free platform, you can focus on managing your ever-growing library of content and forget about needing failure-prone technology like hard drives or tape-based technology. With Optical Disk Archive and Navigator X paired together, you can actually automate the archive and retrieval of your content. For your 4K, 6K, 8K workflows, you can leave your content on optical disk, freeing up your expensive nearline storage, work with the proxies that are automatically generated via Navigator X, and when you're ready to conform to your masters, you can leverage Navigator X's workflow orchestration engine to actually automatically pull that high-res content back from Optical Disk Archive for you without you needing to manually go and retrieve that content. The last solution I want to talk to you about today is our Memnon digitization services. Memnon offers a full range of services to digitize, restore, and preserve your audiovisual archives. As you all probably know, all of those assets that you have sitting on film, tape, and even some of your legacy digital media are all susceptible to total loss due to the natural degradation of those mediums over time. Well, Memnon allows you to turn those assets from a liability into an opportunity for new content creation and even monetization. You can also leverage cloud-based AI and media processing for enriched metadata and improved searchability and accessibility of all of that legacy content. While Memnon has the ability to deliver your newly digitized content in any format or medium you desire, you can leverage Sony's Intelligent Media Services to really empower those assets. Memnon has the ability to deliver your assets via our own C Media Cloud so that you can access those assets immediately and from anywhere. They can also deliver on optical disk for long-term preservation of those assets. And once you have those assets newly digitized, you can leverage C Media Cloud or Navigator X for automatic metadata enrichment. And probably most importantly, now that you have these newly digitized assets that before were probably sitting in a basement or a closet somewhere not being used, you can now turn those assets into revenue opportunities through distribution and OTT with our venue service. As you all make your way around the booth today, I encourage you to stop over to our Intelligent Media Services area to my left and come see all of the workflows that I talked about today happening in real time, and see these 4 solutions here: C Media Cloud, Media Backbone Navigator X, Optical Disk Archive, and Memnon. Thank you all for joining me.